la mano, hop. King, king, hop. King, king, hop. And king. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Hello, hello. Another class with La Suerte Dance School. Michal and Ola. We are continuing our course of Cuban Salsa. We'll teach you more moves in couples. Today move will be very different. Or maybe not so very different, but it's definitely a step forward. Comparing to our previous steps, we'll teach you Vacilala por la mano. Let's go. We start with guapea, 5, 6, 7, and now. The first difference between this step and all other steps we've done so far is that girls will start on 1 with the right foot forward. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, stop. So to prepare our partner for this move, when I touch, I create a bit of tension and I open my body to the right, and she also did small prep to the left. We'll show that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, prep. Okay? From here, she starts walking forward because I pull forward. So let's discuss girl steps maybe first, and then we'll talk about leading it. So from ladies' perspective, this is very, very important step for future. We haven't discussed that on our steps classes because it's very unrelated to any steps. This is just basically action in couple. So she starts with her right foot going forward. So it's right front, left front, and right. She starts twisting opposite direction. I don't know if you can see that, but her foot already went other way. We'll do the same again one more time. 5, 6, 7, pull. 1, 2, 3. She goes opposite. Now, next step on 5 is with the left foot. She goes from our perspective towards the mirror. From my point of view, let's say like if you relate it in couple, outside from the guy. Yeah, so this step was towards me, but to my left, and now she goes exactly opposite direction. 5, and 2 more steps towards my right foot. Walk and walk. And then she will land in dilekano position that we already know, and we'll do full dilekano. 6, 7. We know this part already. Now, from guy point of view, footwork is super simple. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. What doesn't mean that you can be lazy. You can't. You have to keep moving your feet. This is very, very important. We'll show everything from guapea, maybe 5, 6, 7. 1, vacilala por la mano. Let's go. And 1, 2, rotate. And 5, 6, 7. And dilekano hop. And 5, 6, 7. Now from arm perspective. I said that this movement is quite different than everything else we've done. And it is mainly because it requires a lot more leading action. I'm pulling with my hand forward, so it goes in front of me. And then I lift it up and make a small loop over her head. Watch. 5, 6, pull. 1, 2, up. Loop her around, hand down, dilekano. And 5, 6, 7. You learn very quickly. I'm not sure how quickly, but hopefully quickly, that this looping that I'm talking about is a relatively small movement. You don't have to go crazy. Another thing from the girl point of view is that she's keeping this arm setup. I think we talked about it already during La Chica, but she keeps this hand setup through whole the move. Watch us again. 1, and just pay attention to her arm. 5, 6, 7. King, king, hop. And king, king, hop. And 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7, okay? So this arm is always in the same position. You are a Lego person. Yeah? Always tell on our beginners courses that this is behavior of Lego person. You know, Lego people, they have arms like that and they can only move up and down. So if you hold Lego's person arm high and you start rotating arm, whole Lego person is rotating. And exactly the same happens with Ola. So imagine she is a Lego person. And let's do guapea and vacilala por la mano one more time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 5, 6, hop. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. And dilekano hop. and 5, 6, 7. We'll do one more time, exactly the same thing, just from different perspective. 5, 6, 7. 1, Vacilala por la mano, hop and pull. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. And D like an hop, and 5, 6, 7. And one more time, a bit slower. 5, 6, forward, front, front, opposite, around, 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 and D like an hop, and 5, 6, 7, both back, cheeky, cheek. Let's do it with music, and as usual, we'll repeat all moves from previous classes. We are still going with very, very slow rhythm. However, step by step, during this course, we'll start speeding music up tiny bit. Guapea, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, Vacilala por la mano, hop. King, king, hop, king, king, hop, and king. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 6, 7. One more time the same, Vacilala por la mano, hop, and king, king, hop, and king, king, hop, and 1, 6, 7, and change perspective, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, Vacilala por la mano, hop, boom, and king, 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 1, 6, 7, 1, Vacilala por la mano, hop, 1, 5, 6, 7, and I will close position now, and start from the beginning. 5, la chica, el chico, los dos, ping, ping, cuckoo, and 1, arriba, abajo, yum, yum, ping, ping, and chick, chick, cuckoo, and chick, 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 and D like an O, and 1, we bow back, and now we have 3 different moves already here, or maybe even 4, because we secretly told you la chica in open position, so la chica. And 5, 6, 7, and 1, el uno, 6, 7, and 1, 6, 7, and 1, 6, 7, and 1, 6, 7, and 1, Vacilala por la mano, new one, hop, king, 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 king. It's very different than la chica. It is still right third, but she travels from my left to my right. Pay attention to that. Kentucky, hop, 1, and 1, and now we finish everything with enchufla al centro, 6, 7, and cum, 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 peaky, and nice one, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 5, 6, 7, cum, cum. All this dance is becoming a lot more complex, a lot more exciting. You have bigger choice of moves, and we are on class number 7. And I'm not sure how long this course will be. Our regular classes, when they happen face-to-face, the course lasts for 32 classes. So it's pretty long. I don't think that we'll do that many classes online because we obviously go through some elements quicker. Very often when we do classes face-to-face, we obviously do reviews as well. When we don't introduce a new move, we just go through everything what we've done before just to make the moves stronger and more natural for you. So that works slightly different. But when you're learning from online classes, you already probably know that you can rewind the video, slow it down, watch it as many times as you want, and then progress to the next one. And to not miss the next one, like, subscribe, and press the bell. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. You can become patron of our channel. You can get our beginner's guide. I will display it somewhere here around, so you'll see what I'm talking about. There will be more information about it in the description as well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.